How do we put together a newscast? Well, that is a great question. First, we need an app called Splice. There's Splice right there. And that's the one that we use to combine the clips together. So I'm going to click on one of the episodes from 2013, September the 5th. That was the second show that the students did. And we can see that we're going to have slides or clips. And each clip has been submitted by somebody, by either an adult or a student. Okay. There is an audio line at the top, and we can add audio if we want to. And then there's a scrubber bar down here where we can scrub across. I'll try to squeeze that as small as we can get it. Okay. So the duration for the full, the duration for the full thing is 6 minutes. So let's go back to the video line. So, there are 17 clips altogether in this episode. It says how long each clip is, 10 seconds. It says when the clip starts and ends. 10 seconds in it starts, 20 seconds in it ends. Okay, the main thing is that we have the clips and we have them in order. Now how do we get the clips into Splice? Alright. Well, the way to get them into Splice is first we have to have a Dropbox account, and then we're going to use a special program called Free Video. Now Free Video might or might not be available to students. That's a good question. It comes up with ads if it's not been purchased. Okay, now I'm going to go to Dropbox. I've bookmarked it, so I'm going to click on Bookmark and then Dropbox. Okay, Dropbox is going to come up. I've already logged into this, and you'll see all the students' names are here. Each student has their own folder, and inside each folder are all the things that that student has made. Now those should be file named with the first name, last name, then the date, and then the name of the segment. So this one is correctly named right there. Okay, now we're going to search Dropbox. Since the students named these based on the date, we're going to put 09 because it was September, 09, space, and then tomorrow's show, which I'm going to put together right now, is 06. Okay, so here are all the segments that should be going into tomorrow's show. I'm going to now download these. To download them, I'm going to touch them, and then the line will turn a little bit blue, and then touch the link. I'm going to try that again. Normally what it'll do is it'll say download, and actually maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let me press, now that this line is blue, let me touch the download button right here. Download. Sometimes it's tricky to touch exactly that button. Now, it's going to ask me to download it, so I'm going to download that one. It's going to show that over here I'm downloading one. There it is, it's downloading. Okay, so I'm getting Samantha Burns' Spanish Word of the Day. Now I'm going to touch on Culver for the cell phone rule. I'm going to download that. You have to download each segment. Okay. Julianne has the quote of the day, so I'm going to download that. And Cade has the athletics. Download. And Allie has the Roar Store. Okay. Allie also submitted an interview, but that's not for this broadcast, that's for a later broadcast. Because those are both with the school counselor, and we're going to try only to show the same person one time in the news show. So if we record 2 segments with a person, we're going to try to put them on separate days. Alright, so we have 6 downloading. Once all these have downloaded, then we'll be able to save them to our photo roll, and then after we save them to the photo roll, we can put them into Splice.